Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. We've created the categories, so now it's time to add the assets themselves. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating and managing assets inside of Infraspeak. In our platform, assets can be both an equipment or a location. As explained in the previous video, a location can be added as an asset when there is a link between a soft mains and a location type. So, for the sake of this video and its examples, let's focus on tangible assets, or in other words, equipment. Okay, so now let's imagine you're in the office with a list of equipments you need to add onto the platform. To create any type of asset, an air conditioner, a chiller, a generator, or any other tangible asset, you need to head on over to the Asset tab on the left-hand side of the menu and click on Create an Asset. A new panel will pop up, and here you will need to first define the asset's location and category. Afterwards, you may fill in additional details such as, for example, asset code, technical information, or financial data. You can then click on Submit, and the asset will be automatically logged. Okay, wait. What if you're on the move? Are you able to create assets on the fly? Can you survey an equipment while servicing? The answer is yes. Through our mobile app, users can add equipments. To do so, on the main menu, you can click on the Add New and then choose the option Add Equipment. On the next screen, you should indicate the asset's location and category and define its code. It's also possible to upload a picture and link the asset to an NFC tag or a QR code. Download information from an asset, the user can export a report. To do so, head on over to the specific asset and on the section toolbar, click on Reports. Then you can choose between the asset report and the asset measurement report. Once the report is chosen, define the time frame and voila, the download starts. That's it. You now know how to create assets on Infraspeak and how to obtain the information in the form of a report. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.